Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto transfers with a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from your Phantom wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. BNB is Binance's native token, and with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025, moving it securely between wallets like Phantom and Uphold is easier than ever. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store or Phantom's official website to download and set it up. You'll need to create or import a wallet, and remember to keep your seed phrase safe. That's your key to recovery. Once you're in your Phantom wallet, check your BNB balance. Ensure you have enough BNB to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. In 2025, the BNB Smart Chain is still popular, so select that network if prompted. Now, navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. It's usually right on the home screen. Next, you'll need your Uphold wallet address. Open your Uphold app or website, go to your BNB wallet, and copy the address. Back in Phantom, paste this address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but always confirm. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transaction is complete, head over to your Uphold account to verify that the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Phantom to Uphold in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on any platform changes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.